Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes as an Uber driver. As an Uber driver, you're considered an independent contractor, not an employee. This means you're responsible for your own taxes. You'll typically receive Form 1099-K and Form 1099-NEC from Uber, which report your earnings. It's crucial to keep detailed records of all your income and business expenses throughout the year to ensure accurate filing. One of the biggest advantages for Uber drivers is the ability to deduct business expenses. You can choose between deducting the standard mileage rate or actual vehicle expenses, such as gas, maintenance, and insurance. Don't forget other business costs like a portion of your phone bill or any supplies you purchase for your riders. Remember, as a self-employed individual, you're also responsible for self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. Since Uber doesn't withhold taxes from your pay, you'll likely need to pay estimated taxes quarterly to the IRS to avoid penalties. When it's time to file your annual return, you'll use Schedule C, profit or loss from business, to report your income and all those valuable deductions. Additionally, you'll complete Schedule SE, self-employment tax, to calculate and report your Social Security and Medicare contributions. These forms are essential for accurate tax reporting. To ensure a smooth tax season, always keep meticulous records of your income and expenses for at least 3 years. If your tax situation feels complicated, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice. They can help you navigate deductions and ensure compliance. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.